Meta Smart Glasses echo or feedback in calls. Fix now. If you hear echo during calls, your volume may be too high. Lower the volume on your Meta Smart Glasses to prevent sound from looping into the mic. Mute your microphone when not speaking to minimize background noise and feedback. Loud surroundings can make echo worse. Move to a quieter area and limit background sounds like TVs or crowds. A calm environment ensures clearer call audio. Weak Bluetooth signals can cause echo or delay. Keep your phone close to your glasses and away from other wireless devices. If needed, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, then reconnect your glasses. Outdated software can lead to audio issues. Update the MetaView app from your phone's app store. Then open Settings, Firmware Update in the app to update your glasses. Keeping both updated helps prevent call problems. If echo persists, restart both devices. Power off your phone and glasses completely, then turn them back on. A quick restart often clears minor software glitches and restores clean audio.